Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create Equalizer preset for your earbuds ANKER Liberty 3 Pro. You have to start by open Soundcore application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see it at the device list. Tap on it and then go to sound effects. Now we have two options how to create custom preset. We can go to custom Equalizer and now make something good for you. Let's say something like this one. And then you can go back, you can return on it and it saved. We can also create one more, more than one preset. Let's call it test. Let's call it test 1 and then click done. And as you can see right here, we can also make something good. If you don't like it, you can click at the reset icon and yes, and you have it by default. Next, we have another option, is to use one of these presets and just change it. So let's go to the default settings, default presets. Now select your favorite preset, let's say I prefer Bass Booster, and then click Custom. Name it, let's call it Test 2, and done. And as you can see, we have this preset, so we can modify it. Now, we can, let's return to the custom preset, and we can click at this settings icon here, and right here we can remove these presets or rename this. So let's say I don't like test 1, I click at this pencil icon and just rename it like, let's call it, I don't know, default, and then click done. And as you can see, I changed the name. Now we can remove it by click at the red icon and then delete, and let's delete test 2 also. We have it. And as you can see, we just have only one preset. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!